Good morning, viewers. For the 5 minute next, you will be with me, Elva Elvira, on breaking news to discuss the latest and most treasured news. Okay, viewers, we are going to first news of today about pollution at the Tamangapa landfill. The Tamangapa final disposal site is overloaded. An additional 2 hectares of land is needed to accommodate community works for the next 3 years. And also at the Tamangapa landfills, there is soil pollution. To know the current situation there is our reporter Nurfaika Firda Mustaga and Ince Putri Isnainil Munawwara will report on the current situation there.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nurfaika Firda Mustaga. The current situation from the Tamangapa TPA. The Tamangapa final disposal site TPA is overlaid. An additional 2 hectares of land is needed to accommodate community from the 3 years. This was conveyed by the acting head of the Makassar City Environmental Service DLH Andi Iskandar. According to him, the current state of the TPA Tamangapa is worrying. The available land is no longer able to accommodate the garbage from the community every day. The impact of this stretch is water pollution, soil pollution, and air pollution, and can also cause disease and cancer and organ damage.
My name is Ince Putri Isnainil Munawwara. Here I will report the soil pollution that occurred at the TPI. As a result of this waste at the landfill site causes soil pollution. Soil is the presence of chemicals or pollution with a high enough concentration in the soil to causes health problems. Human and environmental contaminants that occur in the soils even when the level of soil pollution is high enough can pose a serious risk on the soil if the exceeds the level that should be on the soils. Soil pollution will be polluted. Soil pollution consists of two main sources, namely anthropogenic or man-made causes consisting of plastic, household waste, as we can see in this landfill. We can see that there has been soil pollution in this TPI are because of the piled up garbage, the dozens, the compost. Shukran. Maybe that's a little explanation for me. I'll return it to the studio. Thank you.
That's the latest news regarding the accumulation of garbage at the Tamangapa landfills. Then we are going to second news about Nipa raw waterway at Antang. Nipa raw waterway, which is contaminated with oil. Due to this pollution, the product of clean water at Antang treatment plant was stopped. This is because the maximum threshold required by the health service. And to know the current situation there's our reporter Akila Hunaira will report on the current situation there.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Akila Hunaira. Today I will report about water pollution in Antang. The raw water channel around Nipa Antang that carries water from Maros to Makassar is contaminated with oil. This incident was only discovered in the early hours of Saturday, 9/4/2022, and is thought to have been carried out intentionally by a responsible person. Due to this pollution, the production of clean water at the Antang water treatment plant was stopped. This is because lead gather extracted the maximum dosage required by the health service. reported this incident to the Manchong Police Maros Regency. The report has received by the head of Polsek Manchong Ibda Mansur. We reported the incident because the older contaminated the Nipa water seemed to have been on or purpose. Ibda Mansur in this operation said his party was currently investigating the report. If there is evidence of an international factor, we will project it further. This is done through to the Nomors resident due to because it will endanger many people and of course this raw water cannot be produced by PDAM Makassar because it is not in accordance with the levels.
That the latest report of situation at the Nipa waterway. Then we turn to third news of today about air pollution at Makassar City. The South Sulawesi Regional Environment Agency stated that Makassar City's air was the most pollution compared by other areas in South Sulawesi province. And to know the current situation about air pollution at Makassar, there is our reporter Nur Fadila will report the current situation at Makassar about air pollution.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Nur Fadila. Now I'm reporting situation in Makassar City about air pollution. You can see so many motorcycles and cars cause a lot of air pollution, so that really problem health. The South Sulawesi Regional Environment Agency (BLHD) said the Makassar City air was the most pollution completely area in South Sulawesi province. Health of BLHD Sulsel Tamji Tajudin in Makassar Sunday said the pollution was caused by the including crowding in the number of vehicles, which was exactly by the absence of emission regional standards. The air in South Sulawesi as was is not counted exactly in Makassar. The emission level of motor vehicles in Makassar is very high, especially in densely circulate of vehicles. He explained the high level of air pollution so far is the situation, namely only an area of heavy traffic and peak hours, such as shopping center and terminals. Tamji said there are less 30 parameters for searching air quality standards, including sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, and O2. Thanks, I'm back to studio.
Okay, that's the latest report on the situation about air pollution at Makassar City. Maybe that's the news for today on Breaking News. I'm Elva Elvira for While to Reside. Enjoy your activity and see you next time.